please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, yes, I'm opening a 2020 Topps a Day series. Just see what kind of buried treasure it's applying. I bought a bunch of cards. Here's the first one, Giants. Oh, Orioles. Daniel. Oh, Giants, maybe? Yeah, Giants. A little quick. The backside of it. I think, like, you know, teams, runs. Card casher. Looks pretty serious. Rookie card. Kobe Hunt. David Dexter. That's kind of cool card. Right here. Jeff Heffman. Rockies. Oh, Grand. I start getting into baseball now. Mike Trout was good to have this card. Action. It was good to have his. Matter what. There you go. Frank Farmer. Eggers. Look, guy cool. First hit, Eddie Murray. That's cool. The whole series, Dodgers. Last game, Orioles and Dodgers, and then Mets and Indians, Orioles, Angels. That's a really cool card. 85, I think. Ken Griffey Jr. World Series. All-Star Game card. Back he played a long time ago, 19 Iron Horse or something, what do you call him? Warren. Eddie Burns. And like, you know, a couple packs I like. Next pack. Alex Wood, he's with the Giants now. Oh, cool. There you go. Young man. Could be a Hall of Famer, what he's doing now. What's our game? Jose. Curcio, like this guy. Oh, wait, there, Red Sox. Got a bunch of, you know, other. So many teams with Reds, man. I get confused. Eric Kipper. Indians, and I guess Cubs. Astros. Fire. I think Phil. Ken Griffey, guy, good to have his. Johnson. Pena. And then the last pack. Yeah, I got McGuire. Steroids, I think his card's not worth that much anymore because what's happening, the little steroid thing. Bryce Hopper. All-star card. Oh, that's a good card. It could be of him, you know, saying I'm going to balk this guy. He did because he thinks he's doing signs. I'm gonna block him. Zach Green. Griffey Jr. again. All Stars. All the Hunts. 20 years of captain. I've never seen this before. That's cool. Smiley, Drew Smiley. I don't remember him this year. Draw again. Always good at Trout. Alex Bryant. So that's it for this collection. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.